Powers of E.
Grew up in the town that is famous as a place of movie scenes. Noise is always loud, there are sirens all around, and the streets are mean. I'ma make it by any means. I got a pocket full of dreams, baby. I'm from New York.
Oh!
Concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do. Now you're in New York. One hand in the air for the big city. Street lights, big dreams, all looking pretty. No place in the world that could. Yeah, yeah, come on. Yeah, yeah. New York. Concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do. Now you're in New York. These streets will make you feel brand new. Bigger lights will inspire you. Hear it for New York.
Wow! Best! Nice one, Romulan.
Hello!
Hello po.
Congratulations. Ano pangalan mo?
Rovelyn po.
Ilang taong ka na, Rovelyn?
12 years old po.
Well, ganyan kakapal na yung boses.
Bakit hindi ako umikot? I just felt yung sa umpisa, sa first section, medyo shaky ka. Pwede rin nerves yun. Pero nung umangat yung kanta, that was excellent. Nung umikot sila, I was very happy. And now I'm gonna be even happier na maglalaban sila para sa'yo. Yeah! Best seat in the house.
Rovelyn!
Hi po.
Buong-buo yung mga high notes mo eh. Saka may command talaga yung boses mo na talaga namang pag napakinggan ka, pag dumaan lang yung isang tao, malaga mapapalingon, sino yun? Galing na na. Yun ang nagustuhan ko sa'yo, Rovelyn.
You're singing about my favorite city. I'm calling that card. The thing kasi about New York City, kung hindi pa kayo nakakarating sa New York, isa ito sa pinaka-astig na city sa buong mundo. You'd better be astig. You better have an astig voice. Let's just cut this short. Akin ka na. That's it. Let's just say that.
Pwede ka rin maging akin. Kung hahayaan mo ako.
Ang pipiliin ko pong coach is kasi po, parang nakita ko po sa kanya is siya rin po yung favorite artist ko. At siya rin po yung naisip ko rin po na marurin po siyang, marami po akong matutunan sa kanya. Coach? Leia po.
New York, concrete jungle where dreams are made. Oh! Well, here's an acrylic floor. Dreams come true here too.
That's right.
You don't have to go to New York to make dreams come true. This is a first step na
Hallelujah.
mapapatupad na ng pangarap mo. And we'll have a good time. We'll have a really, really, really good time